Meow meow. This video was produced by Coco the cat. Meow.
I will be using 3 different cheeses, French, German and an Austrian one. I'm going to make a cauliflower salad with pumpkin seed oil to go with Spätzle. Looks like I've added too much flour. Luckily and hopefully, I can save this with a bit of milk. Look at my skillful Vietnamese sous chef in action. Definitely well equipped to deal with onions, ha ha ha.
Safety first, of course.
Käsespätzle, first attempt of cooking this dish, which I love since Jodelkönigin, yodeling Queen Ingrid Brüggemann prepared it for me in her lovely home in Austria. Thank you, Danke Ingrid.
Meow meow meow. Coco says thank you for watching as well. Meow.